Guys, what's up? Ano nang plano natin para sa project sa math? May naumpisa na ba kayo? Nag-uumpisa na ako sa project natin. Ang dami natin gawain, no? Final is near.
Kailan ba tayo magre-review for finals?
Siguro by weekend, kapag natapos natin yung project sa math. Anyway, what are we going to do in our math presentation?
Since iisa lang naman yung lalaki sa group natin, what if teen romance na lang?
Annabelle, may kasama ka ba sa inyo?
Ha? What are you talking about? Mag-isa lang ako dito sa bahay, Baliw. My family left for the barangay meeting.
For real, someone is there with you.
Oo nga, someone pass by dyan sa likod mo, pero hindi ko masyadong naaninag.
Guys, that's not funny. Don't joke like that.
Annabelle, ano ba kasing ginawa mo?
Ha? Wala naman ako naalala na nagawa ko. Guys, are you still there? May internet naman. Guys, andyan pa ba kayo? Hello, Jen. Ba't ka napatawag? Is there something wrong?
I just wanna ask kung tuloy pa ba yung gala natin tomorrow.
Okay.
Uy, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. May napansin lang kasi ako dito ang creepy.
Hello, Annabelle? Are you still there?
Yes, I'm fine. I'll call you back later na lang.